Hello my dear 6th class students. As we started the chapter diversity in our society and completed in the previous session before the title of Sikkim, and it was the biggest gap to the previous class and to this class. So you have to see the before videos also by typing St. Thomas 6 in YouTube. Let's we continue today's class. Continuation of the diversity in our society chapter titles Sikkim, Pondicherry, Unity in Diversity. Sikkim is one of the state where we can find the several types of the people in society, and also there we can find several worship places, the different types of the people, the different goals, different aspects, different categories, different religions we can find. So that was the basic phenomenon where we can find, but all they are all together, how they are living is the unity, is the diversity. The different cultures also, how they are staying in the one place is the diversity. Sikkim is a small state situated in the eastern parts of the Himalayan mountains. Kanchenjunga, one of the highest peak of the Himalayas, is in Sikkim. Where does the Kanchenjunga located? Kanchenjunga located in the state of Sikkim only, that you have to remind. It remains cold throughout the year and the place is covered with snow in the winter. It also rains heavily in the monsoon and many rivers flow through the valleys. Sikkim is situated on the boundary between India, Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet, China. That is why people from all these areas have settled down here. Some are Nepalis, some are Tibetans, and many kings from the different parts of the subcontinent established kingdoms. And Bhutanese, as many as 11 languages are spoken by the people of Sikkim. They have a close relationship with the Tibetan Lamas and who brought the Buddhism to this area. So they also established many beautiful monasters in Sikkim. Sikkim was an independent country till 1975, ruled by the kings called the Chogyals. That year, Sikkim became a part of India and a democratic government was established. So Sikkim was included in our country in which year? Sikkim became independent in 1975. That you have to keep in your mind. Both Thar and Sikkim are in India. Thar is in the desert regions, whereas Sikkim is in the Himalayas. The influence of the diverse culture is not merely a thing of the past. Our present lives are about moving from place to place for work. With each move, our culture, traditions, and way of the life slowly become part of the new place we are in. Similarly, in our neighborhood, we live among people from the several different communities. Our daily lives are about the ways in which we do things together, and customs and traditions become part of our life procedures. So this was the story which was given in the state of Sikkim, where we can find from the several neighboring countries people are adjusted in the state of Sikkim. But how they are living all together? There are the 11 different types of the languages are spoken in this state, but all they are living all together. It makes the diversity in the state of Sikkim. Next, Pondicherry. Pondicherry is a unity state in the southeastern coast of India. Pondicherry attracted a number of the European tradition companies like the Dutch, Portuguese, English, and the French. They established the trading post and also small colonies of their people. Over time, the French acquired the control over the place and they held it till in 1954 when the people of the Pondicherry voted to join the Indian Union. Pondicherry thus has a large number of the French speaking people besides the Tamils and others. During the freedom movement in India against the British, Pondicherry offered refuge to many freedom fighters like the Submentine and Bharati, the great nationalist poet of the Tamil Nadu, and Aurobindo Ghosh, who was initially a revolutionary nationalist from the Bengal and eventually became an important spiritual masters of the modern India. A large number of the devotees from all over India came to settle down here. Aurobindo Ghosh and his French disciples, the mother established the Aurobindo Ashram. Subsequently, an international village named as Auroville was established with the backing of the United Nations of the spread the message to the peace and global cooperation. And Pondicherry thus offered an example of the place where not only diverse culture of India merged, but also where people of whole world come together to celebrate oneness of the humanity. So this was the situation in the state of Pondicherry. See, various types of the people where a place Aurobindo Ashram was established already basically in Pondicherry, where the state is located in the southeastern coast of India. This was the state which was also cultivated and merged by the several different communities, that is also making diversity. I hope you are understanding the meaning of diversity. This chapter is given examples several states and several countries examples on diversity only. Unity in diversity. Over the past centuries, India emerged as a country with shared the culture, religion, political system, etc. Along with the diversity, this history of diversity and the integration helped Indian people to come together as a nation to fight the British rule. This common struggle is called the national movement, which you will study in the upcoming classes. Like in 8th class you will study about the national movement. This song was sung after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in the Amritsar, in which a British general opened fire on the large group of the unarmed peaceful people, killing many and wounding even more. Men and women, Hindus, Sikhs and Muslims, rich and poor, had gathered to protest against the massacre of the British. See, this was the diversity. When the Jallianwala Bagh massacre was held, after that there are the several different types, several different types of the religions are gathered in one place, and they started protest towards of the Britishers who were fired to the unpoliced people who are not police. To them, they were fired to them, they were killed. So this was the diversity example. This song was composed and sung to the honor the memory of those brave people. So one song is given here. That song you have to study and sing. Songs and symbols that emerged during the freedom struggles serve as the constant reminder of our country's rich tradition of the respect for the diversity. Do you know the story of the Indian flag? It was used as a symbol of the protest against the British by the people everywhere. In his book, The Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru says that Indian unity is not something imposed from the outside, but rather it was something deeper and within its fold. The widest tolerance of belief and custom was practiced, and every variety and acknowledged and even encouraged. It was Nehru who coined the phrase unity in diversity to describe the country. This was the diversity. So what was Jawaharlal Nehru said? This was the unity of India. This was the country where with all things the country can be adjusted. So this was the chapter diversity in our society, which means living in a society with the different cultures, different religions, different worships, different things. So that we were studied in this chapter. You have to write this chapter into your fair note and prepare some 1 mark questions, keywords, and improve your learning questions. You have to note down, complete your fair note before you coming to the school of this month 15. Thank you.